Hi, this is Nathalie from LineDotArrow from the Netherlands, and I'm here to do the winner's drawing for this paper package. I already showed you in the previous video where I did the unboxing of the Choose Sister Jam package, but just going over it real quick. There are tags, some sort of calendar ledger paper. It's from a planner. More tags. Two bingo cards. They are very bright and shiny, but I'm pretty sure we can tone these down. Some handmade paper, German stamps, book pages, ducks. These are so cute. More book pages about stamps. This is from a ledger or a plan, I'm not sure anymore. Well, I have these two included. Dutch book pages, music paper, some sort of, I always forget the name of this sort of paper. How is it called? Not glassine, but I really don't know the name. But you know what I mean. Ledger paper, lined grid, larger book pages, and I use this to fold the first week challenge we are doing with the botanical kits, and these this is the pocket made with the freebies. More music paper. This is from a puzzle and paper to compose music on, and there is a piece of vintage lace. And these items I all collected myself in a lucky find in a secondhand store. Well, actually several secondhand stores. They are located around the area where I work. So, and I have a rather long lunch break, so I can shop during my lunch break. But I don't go there every day, otherwise I will buy too much. But this can be yours. I'm going to switch over to the laptop, and I have to do the raffle, or how it's called, the winner's drawing. It's not really a raffle because I'm giving it away. You don't have to pay for this. If you are connected with me via Etsy, no, sorry, not Etsy, Messenger, I prefer that you contact me via Messenger. If that's not possible because we're not connected yet, you can contact me via my Etsy store seller button. I have all the links down below. There are two link trees. One is from the participating Facebook groups hosting the challenge in September, and the other one is all the LineDotArrow links and also the design team members links. So I'm quickly going to change to a laptop, and then you will see me back. Okay, I am using a YouTube comment filter. I inserted the hashtag and I press start. And now we will see who the winner is. And the winner is Ina Boucher 144, and she said, LDA August giveaway, it's difficult to find books in other languages, so that would be great to include in my journals. Can't wait to see what you create with your purchases at the secondhand store. Yes, it is a very addictive. Hugs and stay well. So congratulations, Ina. Please contact me. I'm not sure if we already connected via Messenger. I hope we do, because that's a lot easier than via my Etsy store contact seller button. If we are connected, please contact me via Messenger. And to everybody else, yeah, I'm so sorry you didn't win, but I can't give everybody a paper package. So yeah, we will see. And maybe in the future I will do another giveaway. I usually do a lot of giveaways, so. But this one is for Ina, and thanks everybody for watching. I'm going to switch over back to the desk now. So, yay, I did a drawing. So this is going to be sent to Ina. Ina, contact me, please. I need your address. I have to say, I'm not able to ship it anytime sooner than next week, Monday or Tuesday, because I have to work all week and post office closes when I am back from work. So they are not open in the evening over here. They used to be, but since Corona they stopped doing that. I don't know why, because people still have to mail stuff, but apparently they don't open. So and of course on Saturday I could try and send it too, but I have to be working on the second week freebies and challenge, and that is always something that I do Saturday morning. I really need that time, so I am going to ship out this prize next week, Monday or Tuesday. I have no idea where you live, Ina, so maybe if it's like in Canada, it will take ages to get to you, but it will get to you, and I will send it with a track and trace link. Although I know when I ship it, the track and trace link I sent you will probably change to another one when it's past custom service or anything. But yeah, this is it for today. Thank you all for joining in for, trying to win this kit. Well, it's not a kit, this bundle of papers. And yeah, it's a short video, but I hope you really enjoyed watching. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I hope to see you the next time in a crafty video. Stay safe, stay creative. Greetings from the Netherlands. Bye bye. Bye.